AI Building Blocks, Exploring the Foundations of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving technologies of our time. From personalized playlists on streaming platforms to breakthroughs in healthcare, AI has already become an integral part of everyday life. But how does it all work? What are the fundamental elements that power these intelligent systems? In this video, we'll unravel the mystery behind core components, its building blocks. Designed specifically for students, this guide is crafted to make complex ideas simple and easy to follow. No need to worry if you're new to AI, we'll start from the basics and build up your understanding step by step. Whether you're curious about technology or considering a future career in the field of AI, this video is the perfect starting point for your journey. To set the foundation, let's start with a simple definition. Artificial intelligence refers to machines or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks might include understanding language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, or even driving cars. AI surrounds us in more ways than we often realize. For example, when a streaming app recommends videos based on your viewing habits, or when a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa answers your queries, AI is at work. It takes data, learns from it, and makes decisions or predictions. But why is AI worth understanding? As students, learning the basics of AI isn't just about keeping up with the latest trends, it's about preparing for an increasingly AI-driven future. AI is already reshaping careers, educational opportunities, and industries across the globe. By grasping its fundamentals, you'll be better equipped to navigate, and even help create, the future. AI may sound like magic, but at its heart, it's built on three key components: data, algorithms, and models. Imagine trying to build a house without any bricks. It's impossible, right? That's exactly what data is to AI, the bricks that form the structure. Data refers to information collected from various sources, like text, images, videos, or even sound. This data is the raw material that AI systems rely on to learn and make decisions. For instance, think about how a music app suggests your next favorite song. The app collects data on the songs you play, how long you listen, and when you replay a particular track. This data then helps the app create personalized playlists tailored just for you. However, handling data isn't always straightforward. One significant challenge is ensuring the data is diversified and fair. If the data used to train an AI system is biased, the outcomes it generates might also be unfair. That's why the quality, quantity, and diversity of data are critical in building effective AI systems. If data is the raw material, then algorithms are the instructions. Algorithms are step-by-step guides that help AI systems make sense of data. Think of them as recipes that tell the AI what ingredients, data, to use and how to combine them to achieve the desired outcome. One simple analogy could be baking a cake. The ingredients you gather, flour, sugar, eggs, are like the data, while the recipe is the algorithm that organizes and processes those ingredients to create a delicious final product. In practice, algorithms guide the AI to perform various tasks, such as recognizing patterns, analyzing data trends, and even making predictions. For example, in weather forecasting, algorithms process vast amounts of meteorological data to predict future conditions with remarkable accuracy. Now that you have data and algorithms, how does AI actually learn to perform tasks? This is where models come into play. A model is a framework trained on data using specific algorithms. It enables AI to recognize patterns and make decisions or predictions based on what it has learned. For example, let's say you want an AI system to predict whether an email is spam. The model is trained on thousands of examples of emails, with some labeled spam and others labeled not spam. By analyzing the patterns within the data, like specific keywords or sender information, the model learns to classify new incoming emails accurately. AI models come in different types depending on their learning approaches. For instance, supervised learning involves feeding the AI labeled data, while unsupervised learning lets the AI identify patterns on its own without any labels. Regardless of the approach, models are what enable AI to process information and make predictions, often in real time. Now that we've explored the individual components, how do they fit together? AI systems are essentially a combination of data, algorithms, and models working in harmony. Here's how the process flows. Data collection. First, data is gathered from various sources. Algorithm processing. Algorithms then analyze and process the data to uncover trends or patterns. Model training. The patterns identified by the algorithms are used to train a model. Prediction. Outcome. The trained model makes predictions or decisions based on new, unseen data. For example, consider a healthcare application of AI. Medical data, like patient histories or lab results, is fed into the system. Algorithms analyze this information to train a model, which can then predict health risks or recommend treatments. This seamless interaction between data, algorithms, and models is what makes AI such a powerful tool for solving real-world problems. Influence spans nearly every field imaginable. Let's look at just a few exciting applications. Education. AI-powered tools like personalized learning platforms adapt to each student's pace and style of learning, making education more accessible and efficient. Healthcare. AI systems analyze medical data to improve diagnostics and even assist in surgical procedures. Transportation. Self-driving cars rely on advanced AI to navigate roads safely and efficiently. Entertainment. AI creates tailored experiences, from customized movie recommendations to video game character interactions. As students, learning about these applications can inspire you to think about how you might contribute solutions to pressing problems. The possibilities are endless. While AI holds immense potential, it is crucial to recognize its ethical challenges. For instance, if biased data is used to train an AI model, it might produce unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Similarly, a lack of transparency in decision-making processes can erode trust in AI systems. This is why ethical AI development is essential. Developers, companies, and governments must work together to ensure AI technologies are fair, accountable, and inclusive. As future pioneers in AI, students like you have the opportunity to help create systems that are both powerful and ethical. Why should students learn about AI? Beyond its innovative applications, understanding AI can unlock future careers in fields ranging from data science to engineering. Even if you're not planning a tech-based career, having foundational AI knowledge will help you navigate a world increasingly shaped by intelligent systems. The great news is that AI is accessible to everyone, not just experts. Educational resources, online courses, and beginner-friendly programming tools make it easy to get started. Whether you are coding a simple AI project or analyzing data trends, each step brings you closer to understanding how AI impacts the world. AI is not just a technology, it's a way of reimagining how we solve problems, make decisions, and innovate. By understanding the building blocks of AI, data, algorithms, and models, students can grasp how intelligent systems operate and how they can change the world. Embrace the learning journey with curiosity and a drive to make an impact. The future of AI is bright, and it starts with you. So, are you ready to take your first step into the world of artificial intelligence? Your journey begins today.